in this vehicle, sorry, in this video, I'm going to show you in this vehicle. And this is the Campervans Duo 540. You can see it's on a Citroen basis. It is a really unusual layout. This is a tiny van. That's because it is fully self-contained. You can stand up in it. You can wash in it. You can use the toilet. It costs 53,000 euros. And let's have a look inside. They've got rid of the forward-facing bench and they've put the toilet in there. So you've got your fridge as you come in, where it opens both ways, opens the other way as well. Kitchen block here, 2 burners and a sink. You've got here a dinette, 2 places to sit. Here we've got an enormous, absolutely enormous wardrobe. Bear in mind the size. And at the back we've got the bed. Now this seems like a bit cumbersome what you've got. You've got the bed unit which will pull down over the dinette at the back. Only I'm not going to do it because I feel it might be broken, and therefore I'm a bit shy to do it. But that makes a lot of sense. In my opinion, you've got a really big bed for a vehicle of this size. You've got a table where you can sit at and it's comfortable, and you've got storage. Most 541 centimeter long vehicles don't have those features. Okay, it hasn't got a ledge in here. It has this very nice skylight above the bed. As you'd expect, you've got storage down here. And let's have a look also in the washroom, because this really is this genuinely is clever. And you've got this very nice washroom in such a small vehicle. And I'll come inside, and normally I wouldn't obviously have my shoes on and have a backpack on, but you can see it's okay. Now if you sat down on the toilet to wash yourself, which I shall now do, with a toilet seat doesn't go all the way back, but never mind, you can still get onto it, and you can wash yourself here very comfortably indeed. And it even has this really small sink as well, and it's a fixed sink, which I think is a good thing. And whilst you're in here, you can have a look out the window, see what the action is on the street. So I think this is really a good vehicle. Now, Campervans introduced something a couple of years ago called the Sunny, and they sold it at 30,000 euros. At least that was what they offered it for sale at. As far as I'm aware, the only one they ever produced was the one that was here at Dusseldorf. I know at least 3 viewers of this channel that I know of signed up for it, and as far as I'm aware, no one ever got one. It was just a marketing trick, which was, I don't understand the logic to it. It was totally a total failure. People nerves trying to ring up. I bet the dealers have got really upset about it, and really to me it's totally illogical why somebody should have done something like that. If somebody knows why Campervans did that, please tell me. I mean, to me, I think it's a complete failure. Viewers were offered that van, but not at 30, but it was at 41,000 plus. So I think it was a bad idea. It didn't have heating in it, as far as I'm aware, and it must have been incredibly basic. The trouble is this, that the base vehicle costing them 23,000, and I mean, how are you going to do all the other things you have to put in it? That's the thing. How much do you think of one of these fridges cost? Even if you're buying thousands of the things. Well, nobody buys thousands. Maybe you're buying hundreds of the things. Oh, sorry, the Trigano and Hymer group probably buys thousands of the things. So a total... anyway, can't understand that. But this, anyway, somebody said to me that this was a sort of the replacement idea for it. The thing with this van is, somebody gave me a list of complaints, and I can't remember what they were now, so obviously it's just come out, so it was just somebody at the fair, but not a user. Anyway, it's a tiny van with a very novel layout. If you've got any opinions of it, you might want to write them down below. but from here, from me in Dusseldorf, thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting, and all the best for now.